Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shaka Starks. If you are new here, welcome. If you are a part of the fam, what up? If you're not a part of the fam yet, consider subscribing. I make videos all about looking and feeling your best inside and out. So if that's something you bang with, go ahead and tap that subscribe button. I have been wearing this silk press blowout for a few days. I really like it, but I need to try something else, something that's not like a commitment. So I'm about to just do like a half up, half down situation with some like soft baby hairs. I really wanted to do like a slick back, but my face shape is really round. It's not always the most flattering on me. So I think if I do like just pull back, because I've kind of been just wearing like a little clip these last few days, so if I just pull my hair back, I think it will do what I want it to do. This is my first time doing the style, so we're gonna see what it's giving, but I think it's gonna be cute. So I'm gonna start off by just parting off my baby hairs that I want to keep out.
Style.
After I section off my hair, I take some hairspray and just smooth out the back section and secure it with a rubber band. I make sure this ponytail is as low as I can get it, and then you're gonna see me put on my wig cap and do the same thing with the hairspray just to prep for the quick weave. Keep in mind that if you have thicker hair, the ponytail method may not be the best for you. You might have to just cornrow your hair back, but all the other steps you can do exactly the same way. I make sure that the hairspray is completely dry. This is what's going to protect my hair from the glue. I do that a second time with another wig cap. And y'all, this is the hair that I'm using. This is what makes this style affordable. This pack of hair was $12 at the beauty supply store. I used a whole pack for the back of my hair, and I actually had another pack that I didn't use before. So I literally spent $12 on this style. I am gluing these tracks right onto the wig cap. I'm trying to make like a U shape and bring it all the way up to the part around my head. This way I don't have to have any hair to cover the tracks in the back. I'll just have the ponytail. This is the easiest part, y'all. All I'm doing is measuring and gluing, measuring and gluing. I used the entire pack of the 24 inches in the back, and I used another pack of 18-inch hair that I had before for the ponytail.
Style.
sure that you're pulling the wig cap away from your hair and just making tiny little clips. It will rip by itself. You don't have to go too close to your hair. You definitely don't want to cut your tracks, or worse, your hair. Remember that ponytail is on the bottom. You can always go back and clean it up and make little, smaller clips. Be careful, y'all, especially if you're using a black wig cap. Is going to be way harder to see. So if you need to get some help with this, just be careful. Okay, y'all, so I changed my mind about that whole style. That soft baby hairs was not soft baby hairing for me. I think I'm just gonna do 2 pieces in the front, either like a curtain bang situation like this, or I'll put in a tape in on each side. I just braided up the back. The best and worst part about doing your own hair is you can improvise. So I say it's the best part because if you start doing something and it's not working for you, or you just don't like the way it's coming out, you can always just switch it up. The worst part is like you have this vision and then it's not coming out how it's supposed to come out, and then it's annoying. But it's all good, y'all. I decided I was gonna do a bang, like 2 pieces in the front. So you just see me smoothing down the ponytail. I still have the middle part, and I sectioned off the pieces that I'm gonna finesse on the sides. So I'm smoothing it out with some hairspray. I'm making sure this ponytail is pretty low. It's laying right over the part. So you'll see in a second, the ponytail is pretty small because my hair is fine. So I'm going to add in some braiding hair to make this ponytail a little thicker so that the tracks have something to hang on to, and it's secure and it doesn't annoy me or irritate my head. I'm taking these wrap strips, y'all. I kind of got crazy with these, I'm not gonna lie, but it helped to keep my hair in place. I sprayed it with that hairspray, and I'm just gonna wrap this joint everywhere. I wrapped it even in the back, which was a major key. This is the hack right here. Because when I started to wrap that ponytail around, it just kept the bottom hair, like the back half, out of the way. And like that was the most annoying thing about wrapping this ponytail, was the hair gets kind of tangled. You gotta like take your time and do it. Look at me. This is hilarious. I can't take me seriously. But it worked. I'm looking like a mummy out here, but it worked. So here's me braiding that ponytail. I added some braiding hair. I'm going to put another wrap strip around this ponytail. I'm going to apply some glue, and I'm just going to take my time and wrap the tracks around the braid until I get to the top. This is where I use the pack of 18-inch hair. Y'all, would you believe it took me 20 minutes to wrap this ponytail around? So obviously I sped it up for y'all because it's pretty repetitive, but it took me a long time. So don't get frustrated. Just take your time. Remember, the style is almost done at this point. You're just adding a little glue to the braid or to the wrap strip, and you're just going to keep wrapping it around until you get to the top. The hair will get tangled. It doesn't matter what quality of hair you have. Do not panic. Brush out your ponytail. You're just going to make sure that the glue is nice and dry. Now we can take off the cast, y'all. This thing is hot. Rip me out the plastic. I've been acting brand new. Okay, y'all. I left the big ass piece out. Wow. You know what? That's gonna go into the bang. Whatever, y'all. Mistakes happen. We just keep it moving at this point. So I'm taking a piece from the bottom of the ponytail and I'm putting some gel on it, a little hairspray, and I'm just wrapping it around to make sure that that lash track is covered. Obviously, what makes this hairstyle a little tricky for us with fine edges is your hair is back. I'm finessing my edges by using some brown gel to kind of brush them forward and swoop them back. Here I was trying to decide if I wanted to like do a curtain bang, but nope, I decided to add this tape into the front and it was perfect. I actually cut the tape in to make the band at the top thinner, which I know like some tape-ins come like this, but this is a perfect hack if you want to, you know, do this and make your band thinner. Especially because like it's a tiny bit of hair, it doesn't really need that much, you know, and it worked. So that's what I did.
That's what we call E, where I'm from. Also known as enthusiasm. Beautiful chocolate girl, I just wanna come through and rock your world. If you give me the green light like Mary Jane, a roller, that's a lot to pearl, a whole lot to dip, whole lot to waste, whole lot of beauty all on your face. Can't you give me a moment to give out the glory, cause he gave you all the grace. I know you see me, you hear me, conversations on fleek. These other niggas spit game, but press your buttons too weak, and it's sweet of them to try, no need for you to lie. Look, I'm killing these boys, I'm lord of the fly. Hey girl, you could get it if you would give it to me. You must be psychic the way your thoughts can begin to move me. You got that real life glow as the world starts to slow. You're like something amazing I seen once in the movie. I really like your speech and I'm really digging your style. Your frame is so petite and yet your hips are so wide. You're like a work of art. We got that spark when we smile. So how's about
here is the final look, y'all. I love this hairstyle. It held up. I was able to do a couple different styles with like the claw clip. After like a week, I took out the ponytail and I just had a low ponytail in the back. Y'all, this was so cute. Obviously, it's not perfect, but for my first time, I think it came out pretty good. So show me some love in the comment section. Let me know if you would try this style. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
If you just let me